Okay, so this is the Groom Platinum XL personal hair trimmer. It's for nose hair and ear hair. And as you can see, okay, so there's no batteries. It comes with a hairbrush also. It comes with a little brush that I took out already. Which is that's the little hairbrush I came with. That's it. Okay, so if you want to read a little. You can, if you want to pause and read a little. Okay, here's the back. Again, you can pause and read. Okay, and to use it, you just turn it back and forth. And again, they recommend back and forth, because it seems like if you just keep rotating it, pulls your hairs. This is what it looks like up close. And you insert that part way into your nose or ear. And for your nose, you want to just cut the protruding hairs. You don't want to cut too much. See, it just rotates. It's solid. Let me show you something here. So the blades here, it's actually like it's actually solid inside. You can't go too far in. Because you can't really see it, but actually, see this part? It just goes. It only goes that far. So it's like a cup. It's like a pit in there, and it just rotates. And it's solid. You see, it's solid. And so, how do you clean it? You take it apart. There's just one screw here. That you can loosen and just pull it apart. And that's it. This is completely hollow, and this is just one solid piece. See, it's just one solid piece. And there's the blade. That never needs to be sharpened. The screw holds the device here. So when you screw it in, it just holds the whole thing in by so I'm just going to reassemble it, and forgot to mention, the screw here holds it together through this little gap here, so that doesn't come off. So try to reassemble it. And again, just one screw. And don't over tighten it, so you won't be able to turn it. Just turn it until it's vertical, until the screw is about vertical. Until the slot matches. It's vertical. So that's it. And back in business. And they also recommend a little bit of a machine oil. So when you take it apart, you want to apply a little bit, just a little bit, not even a drop of machine oil, and then put it back together. That's how you clean it. And again, you saw it really wasn't dirty. So when you need to, so you probably rarely need to clean it, but I would clean it regularly. That's it. Let's see. Roommate.